Hello everyone, here we are in my BTEC, and in this video we'll see the course builder in my BTEC. So here we are on the courses screen, manage courses. You can click create a course here or create a course here, and there's also a shortcut to create a new course on the home screen, just here. Now this screen in my BTEC is quite an old screen, and it's due for replacement in 2018. I'll call this Ben's demo, this course, and in this case the person I'm logged in as has only got roles in one subject, so I can only create a course in one subject, in this case digital and creative media. Now in my BTEC you can see the subjects that you have access to here, and the subjects which the platform supports here. If something is in this list but not available to you, then that can be for two reasons. Firstly, your centre's not approved to offer this qualification, or secondly, you haven't claimed a role in that subject. So in this case, only creative and digital media would show here for me. Now within creative and digital media, we've got BTEC Nationals, BTEC Firsts, BTEC Tech Awards and so on. Let's choose the new BTEC Nationals. And within that, we'll have a choice of pathways. Let's choose film and television production. And there's just one size of qualification available here. And click next, and we'll go to step 2 of the 3 steps. On step 2 we can see some information here. So this qualification started in September 16. The last date you can register a learner is in 2021, and the last date you can claim certification is 2024. My BTEC stops you doing things wrong throughout the process, so in this case it won't let us go beyond 2024. It will let you go into the past. Let's say this course started on the 1st of September. It's now the 17th of November, so we can go backwards. And it'll be, well, a 3-year course. Now here we've got the full qualification specification there. Here we've got the mandatory units, and the mandatory units form 360 guided learning hours, and the requirement is 720. So what we need to do is find the right optional units for our learners. You can select them on the left and add them, and we'll see them move up into our course. Here you can see the optional units are removable and the mandatory units are not removable. We're still only at 540 guided learning hours. So we'll need to add some more. In this case there's only one qualification size, but where there's more than one size you can see here where the units are available. So that's handy if you're planning a course which you might want to top up to a larger size. And you can also see where you could drop down if you've got the right choice of units. So in this case, now we've got 720 guided learning hours we need. We can click either next or check here, and it'll send this combination to Pearson course systems, and just check that there's no barred combinations or no other issues which might lead to eligibility problems at the end of the course. In this case, we've met all the requirements. Sometimes you might have to take 2 units from group B and 2 from group C, or you might not be able to use group 19 with unit 19 with unit 24, and this button here will check all that. And even if you didn't press this button, you click next, if there are any eligibility issues at all, our systems would know about it and prevent that. Now, let's say some learners in this course might want to do film and some might want to do sound. We can actually add additional units beyond the minimum. We click next. And this screen just allows us to double check that we've got the right details. And we can confirm that. If you have a meeting local needs arrangement, the meeting local needs units will appear on that screen. So if you're still offering the 2010 BTEC Nationals, for example, and you have the meeting local needs agreement in place, you will see your units at the bottom of the optional units list, and instead of saying group A, group B or mandatory, it will say MLN. So here we can see in our course list the course we just created. We can make our favourites or not, and those are the dates we selected, and we can enter the course like this. And the first thing it's asking us to do is add assignments or create assignments for the course. Once we have assignments in here, then my BTEC really comes alive, and the workflows will guide you through the process, and maximum benefits can be had. On this screen you can add your colleagues, add additional further units if you choose to later in the course, and add your registered learners. Just here we can set our target grades, a predicted grade for each unit. The grey highlighted columns are exams, and the rest of the columns, such as these, are internally assessed. Now we had one extra unit in this course, so we won't need a grade for all units. And now my BTEC is sending to Pearson Core Systems the predicted grades for each unit for this learner, and receiving back a predicted overall grade of pass-pass. Because we're targeting a merit for this learner, 20 points for intervention is needed. So this is the quickest way to get value out of my BTEC Planner course. Add your learners and use this tracking grid. That way there's no eligibility issues. You always know with absolute confidence that you're getting the right grade, because it's Pearson's own certification systems that are calculating that for you. This learner is not going to be entered for Unit 25, and this learner won't be entered for Unit 36. So that is how to plan a course in my BTEC, and the quickest way you can get value for it. If you add your course assignments, your assessment plan is produced for free. If you mark your course assignments, then these predicted grades are overwritten by real grades automatically. Thank you for watching this video.